Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and recently, although I think it's been a month now, hasn't it, Darren?
Oh, yeah, it could be.
Time here has, I got a SmartDoll, my first SmartDoll, and I have been sewing for her. Yes, I could go to the website, the SmartDoll website, and get the patterns that fit exact. That's not as much fun for me as finding patterns on the internet and tweaking them. Actually, I did not use a pattern for this outfit. This girl's hair is just an inexpensive wig I got on AliExpress, and it had a silicone cap with it. That's what I needed. Her original hair, I have 3 or 4 tubs like this with 1/3 doll clothes in it and accessories. But when I got a SmartDoll, I wanted her to have her own because they are a different size. The SmartDolls are just a different size for sure than the other BJDs, and I have the inexpensive ones from AliExpress. Anyway, her original hair, the wig would not stay on her head. It just kept coming off, and so I love a redhead, and I like her little St. Patrick's Day outfit. I just took a rectangle of fabric for the top. I added darts, top and bottom, and then I added, for this one, I just added Velcro in the back. Now for the skirt, I did a hook and eye because of the stand. And then this is just a gathered skirt with bias tape band on it. Darren made these little mugs. Oh, I love these little mugs. They fit in her hand so cute. I was trying to turn it. And then I also have them in light blue. I found, stay there, found a little Easter basket for her. We got a couple other things in here. I got this at a thrift store, and I was thinking, oh, I'd like for her to have an Easter basket, and it fit just right. Darren went on the website and got the pattern for these hangers. Aren't they cute? Let me find a shirt to show you. I bought a shirt I really like. Where is it? Oh, I love this. I went back and bought more, and come to find out, I bought the last 3 that came with jeans. We'll try those on in a minute. I'm not real keen on those, but the shirt, I don't know if you can see this fabric well, but it's like that thin eyelet lace. I love this shirt. It's just a basic white shirt with the lace. I could not make this. This was, I think I got this one for $4 something, shipping included. Or it was $1.99 shipping. It was $4 and something. I like the shirt so much, although I haven't put it on her yet, that I went back and I got a couple more. I bought the last ones that came with jeans. I have another one of these coming in black and white, and it's coming with, I don't know, I think a skirt or something. But I got I bought the rest because they were so cute. The black and white and the white. Thought those were real cute for the dolls and could use them. All right, let me show you some other fashions. As you can see, I'm still sewing on snaps here. But let me show you some other fashions, and we'll have a little fashion show. I didn't really have a top to go with this little A-line skirt that I made. This I found as a free pattern on the internet. It's a whole list of patterns for 1/3 BJD dolls, and I tweaked it a little bit. The shoes, if you remember, I got from AliExpress, and while they are too big for her, she can stand in them. I wanted to mention that, yeah, I see this on the front of the wig. I'm new to SmartDolls, and I do not want to cut this wig till I figure out what I'm doing. It could be I have the wig on the head wrong. It could be that it needs a little trim, and it could be that it just needs some styling, and I'm not going to ruin the wig getting in a hurry to fix it, but I sure like that red hair on her. This top I love. It came with this skirt, which I'm not keen on. I made her these leggings. I like shiny leggings. I just think they're cute. I'm a little disappointed getting this on. Let me straighten her around. The darts don't line up. Now that's a shame, but it's such a cute top, and that'd be really cute with jeans. I put the little jeans on her that came with the white top I was showing you earlier. They're really made nice. They're kind of cute, but I do not care for high water, well, anything, but especially jeans. So they are probably, see how cute they are? They are probably going to become shorts. I'm afraid the lighting is wrong to show this breezy blouse and skirt. It looks like she's headed out to lunch with her friends. I really like the top. There is a chance I will cut it down. I'll show you that just a second with jeans. There's a chance I will be cutting it down in length. These were my first attempt at leg and jeans. I cut up a pair of my old, okay, I got fat and can't fit in anymore. As you can see, I didn't finish this because I need to either move the pockets, I had them too far towards the hips, or throw these away and start over. And I haven't decided which. I hate ripping, and getting that in where I need it is another thing. I wanted to show you this top. Let me pull these down so you can see. It has elastic at the waist. I really like that, except it slides up. And so I'm thinking if I, at least one of them, like I said, I have more coming, cut this up about a ½ inch, an inch, and just had it as a light breezy top. I think I'd like it better. I made the little top and the skirt with patterns I found free online. I'm going to show you those just a second. As you can see, I need to pull in the cups a little bit, and for the bigger boobed SmartDolls, that's going to work pretty well. The little skirt, these are on just on the internet. I'm looking for the name here. Here it is. Missy Imagings. And there's all kinds of patterns. And what I did is I took this basic pattern on that site. This is the BJD pattern that they had. And I made one, tried it on her, and then I tweaked it. And what I did was I left the back wider, as you can see, and I cut both down with a scoop so that this would fit under the stand in the back. And I've made a few of these, and I really like this print, and it comes in 3 colors, the red, white, and blue. And I'm working on these for Puddle. I'm going to give these away as gifts. They do gift, or what do they call it? Not gift, yeah, gift exchange, isn't it? Trading, that's what they call it, trading. And I thought it was cute. I like it shorter. I liked it lower on the waist. The shoes, I have these here. She has some proper high tops coming, but these were in Walmart in the clearance. There was 3 on a chain with some beads and such. They are parrot toys. There was a red, a blue, and a yellow pair. So I bought 2 of them, really cheap. For my BJDs, they're just kind of cute. Thank you for letting me show off my smart doll today, and I hope you liked our fashion show. As you can see, she threw off her shoes and she's ready to go take off for some summer fun. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.